Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by obtaining a Google Maps API key and locking it down for security. Once done, enable the Maps JavaScript API and geocoding API so your app can render tiles and resolve addresses. Make sure to restrict the key to your domain or API usage to prevent abuse. Next, open your Creta project and ensure you have index, HTML, and a main JavaScript entry. This is where you will inject the Maps script tag and initialize the map instance. Now integrate the Maps script tag into Creta's HTML template with your API key and needed libraries. For autocomplete, include libraries equals places. Then create a map container element and style it with fixed height and responsive width so it displays inside your Creta layout. In your main.js, wait for window load, then call new Google. Maps. Map with a center coordinate, zoom level, and map type. After that, add markers, info windows, and any geocoding or direction services you require. Finish by wiring your Creta components to feed coordinates and labels into the map, updating markers when state changes, and using Set Center or Pan to for smooth UX. Make sure your UI gracefully handles loading and permission errors, and log API responses for debugging. If the map fails to load, check the console for API key errors, quota exceedances, or HTTP referrer mismatches. One key troubleshooting tip is to temporarily remove referrer restrictions to confirm the key works, then reapply strict limits afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.